don't know whether my mic levels are right, so you'll have to let me know. How do that? Not bad, sir. Before it hits 7:30, I just want to test something. Yeah, I'm going to make the others, so I'm sorry, Luce. I've currently only got Brett, Salma, and Rose, but I will get others, I promise. Well, camera's working, microphone's working, sound's sort of working, but I can see some drop frames. So, no, how isn't Alec think it's my thing that I'm teaching Alec? Yes, there you go, Rose. Does it work? Checking. There we go, it is. So, you'll have to let me know if sound levels are right and everything like that, because I'm still completely lost with all of this. Sorry, 2 seconds. Ooh, no, I need that. So, hopefully, I've got stuff right. So while we're just waiting, I just want to test something. Yeah, that's not. Oh, no, it is working. Yeah. Right. Yeah. And I'm not even going to try and sync up the voice at the moment. So, I don't know what I'm going to do today, actually. I just thought, I said I got bullied into streaming, but, so, I think what I might do is, do a bit of React today, maybe try and play a bit with Next, and yes, I'll do everything in one stream, you know, I'm just that brilliant. No, my voice didn't get deeper, dark, I've just actually sorted the mic out so it sounds right, I think. I don't know. So, React rafting whilst getting over it, running away from creepers. You missed that. So I think what I might actually work on for a little bit is just while I was trying to get back into hobby programming, I have been looking at let me just move to a desktop. Still trying to get all this out. So what I've tried to do is make sort of a little bot. I just wanted to learn what it was in Discord and stuff like that, and I've just realised that might be a pain to do, but we'll try it anyway. So what I've got is let me just try and connect it up. 2 seconds. So I've just been developing this sort of thing. No doubt there's no alert command. Come on, I've not streamed for God knows how long. I've got to get used to all this again. So I've been trying a bit with just plain Jane Node just to get back into sort of things, because as I say, I'm mainly a Laravel PHP developer, so not really done much in terms of Node and stuff like that. So I thought I'd just work a bit and play with that. So let me just make sure I don't have anything to share really. So I just want to make sure I get rid of everything before I put it on screen. What are you on about? Sorry for me. There's no wrong way. A bit of Laravel and PHP. As long as it's not WordPress. It's... I did change the mic dark, but I also messed with EQ a bit. So, how do, Brett? You've only just followed me. Were you just waiting for that? Is that what it is? 2 minutes. Is that going to work? Yeah, there we go. Because I can't be able setting up a bot just yet. There's plans for that. I might have a look at actually using a Raspberry Pi I've got as a little bot, I think. But we'll see. We'll see how everything goes. I might end up just falling back to Nightbot or something. So, yeah, Brett, I'm going well. I mean, I had to go and sit in a dark corner for a bit after that emotional roller coaster of your stream, but yeah. So I think I'm ready, but I don't know. It was a wild ride. So, right. So this is something I was just sort of playing with just to get used to it. That I could. I've got to be honest. I have been looking at it to try and get an idea of what I can do, but I might just use it as a basis and pull the bits I'm completely lost on from. But yeah, we'll have a look. We never know. So this was sort of what I've got on screen now is sort of what was sort of an inspiration from the Discord channel of White Panthers, actually, what we're in, and we've just started a work along channel in there. So while you're working, you can just join, and yeah, your microphone's muted with your webcam, and it sort of has that vibe of a working with other people in a coffee shop or in a office, actually. And I think we all need that. Yeah, I think that co-working experience is what spurred actually this on, because I've not felt like coding for ages, or well, for a hobby, just for the day job, and just actually feeling that human interaction has actually got me wanting to program a bit more. So I think because of that, I started looking at Discord bots, because what I thought would be a nice idea, not obviously in this channel, but just as a one off, is an ambient bot that just sits there playing ambient sounds, or like, I think the one what I always like listening to while I'm working sometimes is coffee shop noises. Just have that in a very low volume in the background just while you're working, and then it does help as well for when you're feeling quite lonely in that sense, because you're hearing obviously chatter going round and everything like that. And yeah, so what I've started looking at is using Discord.js and just playing, because as I say, I've never really done JavaScript. No, sing praise about your bot all the time, because again, it's another inspiration and another thing that I'm getting inspiration from building other stuff. So because there's one goal of these streams as well. I'm probably not doing it today, but I want to make CS animations and for like stream alerts, because if you want to see some good stream alerts done in pure CSS, you need to go over to White Panther's channel, because yeah, that's what I want to get to, but we'll see whether I can. Yeah, so yeah, just brief overview of this. What I've started using, or what I've looked at, is using Discord.js and using either a local playlist, a folder for music, which is in here, and these are just some ambient sounds that I got off Premium Beat, which are royalty free, so I've just stuck them in there. But what else? You can also do like YouTube videos. So I went and grabbed a coffee shop ambience, and so that can play for like over in the background. See why I've got my file explorer over on there is one for as Maddo Steve once said to me, is it stops that code being hidden behind my webcam. And the biggest thing which I've noticed is if you've got it there and you hide it and show it, I'm pointing to the screen so you can see, but so your code always stays in the same position. So if I hide it again, still there, put it there, and it's not. So if I move that over to, I forgot how you're doing that now. So if I move that over to the left hand side and hide the sidebar and put it back on, it's quite jarring because the code's moving along the screen, which I'm not a fan of, especially when I try and stick up to 8 characters. It sometimes can be a bit of a pain, so having it on the right often means that it doesn't go past my 80 character rule or my 120 character rule, because if you don't know, dog, it's usually a common practice to do 8 characters for your first rule, and then 120. I mean, it's not so much now as screens have got bigger, but it harkens back to the older days when your resolution was quite small, and you could only fit 8 characters on a screen. So it was a good idea to keep code and stuff like that to 80 characters, and it just makes it easier to read and stuff like that, because if you've got a long if statement and it jumps onto sorry, not an if statement, but just a piece of code that jumps over 2 lines, it's not as easy to read. So that's one reason I have the bar on the right hand side. Long-winded answer there, but there you go. So going back to this, I have all my tracks here, and then it joins. I've got a Discord channel set up just for testing bots and stuff like that, and but that's another reason. Like Visual Studio, I'm sort of like loose there, where I grew up using Visual Studio 2006 I think was the first one I used. I'm not too sure, but yeah, they were always on the right hand side, so it just feels more natural. So yes, I've got a background Discord channel here set up where we've got a Background Hustle text channel and a Background Hustle voice channel. So what this Discord bot does is when it first boots up, it looks for the Background Hustle voice channel, I think, and then we'll just throw up an error if that doesn't exist. So I'm basically trying to connect to that server and trying to find that channel and the text channel here. So once I'm done that and we're on a ready state and I've set all the details up, like connecting, getting the playlist, joining the voice channel, we're then waiting for a certain message to come through. So, and what this is doing is basically, if that channel doesn't exist, the text channel, it doesn't exist. If you're not sending a message through that Background Hustle channel, it just ignores it. So, if I need to remember key commands, why is that not working? Terminal. Terminal. Don't know why that's not working. So if we go into here, and I think I've got, yeah, npm run dev. And if I quick, I've lost it. So hopefully, hey, I've got a problem. This terminal I'm using is, I think it's the normal Windows terminal, but with Commander. So it has some of the niceties of like Unix baked in, but it's still a Windows shell. So I think that, and then I've just done some setting changes so it shows up there. So for some reason it's not finding a channel, and not used this in a while, so but it should still work, which is interesting. Doing some console logging here and testing it. This is where you see all my rubbish. Why are you there? See, I can't type under pressure, and yet using a split keyboard is even worse. So yes, pressure. Yeah, what is this theme? Monica Vibrant. I'm always changing my theme, so if people have got any suggestions on nice themes, please let me know, because I'm a theme whore on this. I love just trying out all different themes. So if we just want to see if we are actually getting on to channels. Right, so we have got some channels. Now, what is it picking up? So let's just... Has it changed? General. What server is this connected to? Come on. What do you mean there? Oh, service, sorry. I'm using the Twitch one. I thought I'd give it a try just to see what it's like. And it's quite good actually. Hey up to. Or should I say how do? But yeah, this Twitch one is quite a nice. It's got some nice music on. And I think to be honest, it's better than Pretzel Rock at the moment. Yeah, I can't actually get it working with OBS in that sense. I've just actually got it playing through my desktop audio. I couldn't install the plugin for some reason, but I mean this is doing it fine for me. Just you guys don't know what song I'm playing. But I'm gonna try because I get. Yeah, I'm bored of Pretzel, and I used to use the Stream Beats on Spotify, but again, there's only a few selections on that, and if you don't like some of his songs, or I think it's Harris Heller who does it, then yeah, there's the same 30 songs. So I do think the Twitch one is worth, even if it's just listening through a desktop audio interface like that. And I think with the clout that Twitch has got, they're gonna be in for a while. But you know what I mean. So I did used to pay for Pretzel, and then I didn't stream, so I don't know why I paid. Have a look. Programming. Text channel programming. Text channel Twitch. Is that my... Yeah, that is my server. Live stream chat. Background hustle. Name. So should be showing up. So if we I don't even have Nightbot, let alone commands. I'll have to type it back out. 13 more followers? Oh, yeah. Yeah, well, I was going to use its ID, but I want to try and make it as quite generic so that if somebody else texts it, they don't have to put their ID in, which, yeah, I don't know. I like that idea too. So, let's see. Undefined. So what have I done wrong there? Is it the cache that's doing it? Let's just... I know you JavaScript veterans are going to be chomping at the bit at how crap I am. And you know what? I don't care. I'm programming for the fun of it. I don't care what anybody else thinks. It's fun. I'm learning, and that's all that matters. So I do have it in the cache. Is that not working? You know what? I might just try, like you've said for now, and use the ID. Just see if we can connect. In. You know full well I could just stop programming and just sit and talk. Yes to suffering Stockholm Syndrome, or yes to liking you? I mean, no, I'm going to stick with coding because that's what I'm doing tonight instead of playing Minecraft. So let's try, see if the ID works better. Gather that's going to be a yes it is. I have to find voice channel. But I know that's a voice channel of what I've got. I have to do it though, because if I don't and have it as un-EQ'd microphone, I sound like a right, excuse my French, dipshit. That's the Sheffield accent for you. Triple, yeah, I'll give that a try. I always see, I never liked triple equals. Always a bugger for that. Nope, unable to find voice channel. What am I doing here? I was just saying to Rose the other day I want to start doing a podcast again, but I don't know what. I really should read docs a bit more on Discord.js because I don't think we should be getting channels like this. Yell at your new old Raspberry Pi. Wow, I want to know what you're doing now with your Raspberry Pi, because I've funds, and you could probably see one flashing over there. I we're digging out my old Bitstraw, and I counted 6 Raspberry Pi Zeros and a few of the big ones. I mean, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing with them. But yeah, if anybody's got any ideas of a podcast, I for some reason really want to start doing a podcast again. I think that the 2 I only did really really buttered my biscuits. So I would love to do it again. But I don't know what I want to podcast about. The only thing Robin keeps joking about with it is for people who've watched Black Books, the shipping report. Now that's an idea. Just record Friday with Friends. I'm glad somebody else knows that. But we know there's only one British tea bag you should send people, and that's Yorkshire tea. Yes. I want to just see if I let's move that for now out of there. Yeah, let's move it out of there. I want to see, I know that's a ready message, but I want to see if I move it into when I send a message in background hustle, will it actually find it? No, because it can't find any channels. It's not even looking for the background hustle. Oh wait, no, that's that channel. I really don't know. What? It's really hard coding on stream when you don't know a language that well. Now I've got that. If I try and start, what does that do? Well, you can see it's work. I had it working. It's been there. Not finding it, so hey, thank you for the thank you for the follow, Cryptic. That takes me up to 37 followers. One of these things will show it. This one here. 38 followers. Twitch is lying to me, it's not updated yet. Yeah, Twitch is lying to me, it says. But we'll see. I'd love 12 tonight, but somehow I'm not sure I'd get there. I mean, when I'm just sat here staring at code, talking nonsense, yeah. Pull that back. In there. Back there. We want to... I'll tell you what. We'll have a look at... right. The only thing is when I've got... oh, I want to get channels. No, we don't want channel, do we? Have a look then. So I use client channels. So it is that. Oh. There we go. No tugboat. Channels, right. All the channels every channel in every guild. So what's a guild? How do, Yag? How do? The Enigma bots? Well, hello? Might be a bot, but hey, how do? Grab a cuppa? Or grab a whiskey? Let's do something. Ooh, no, okay. I am sorry. I don't know. Wait. That is... Deactivate, okay. Right. So, as I was saying, client channels. So what's a guild? Gather a guild is the actual channel. So wonder who that is. Let's have a look. So what's a guild? Does it show us in the guide? Thank you. That's all I can say. We've added his bot to a server. We've created a bot. I want to see how we can get channels. Just removing excuses. Well, I do have to get my hours in. Hey, what we could do, I could do a streaming podcast. So yeah, what I'm actually doing is trying to make a Discord bot that plays ambient music, so people can join it, and while they're working, just all join this voice channel, mute the mics, and just listen to bird sounds or coffee shop noises. What have we got? Let's have a look. So what music have we got playing? So we've got coffee shop, bird calls, campfire, another coffee shop, forest floor. What are you, dong? I do. Forest floor, ocean waves, yeah, thunderstorm rain and stuff like that. So just to show you an idea, now I don't know whether this will work, but if we just pause our music and let's ocean waves, so it'd just be that in the background while you're working. Just to relax and get your working vibe on. I mean, I can carry on listening to that, but I'll end up falling asleep, so I'm going to turn that off now. Yes, working at the beach would be a wonderful delight. If only. But currently, I did have the bot working, but it's not now. So I've got to try and figure that out. No, I wouldn't with the wave sounds. I would be fast asleep. But that could be why you have the camera on, because if you fall asleep, you've got your teammates to wake you up. See? So what we're trying to look at is joining channels. Yes, I want to join a voice channel. But then that's why you join a Discord voice channel with other peeps in it. So they might not be working with you, but they'll wake you up or take screenshots and save them for future advantages. So we want to join a... You know what? I want to search for a channel, don't I? Right. Sod that. Let's see if I can just pass in this ID, because I'm doing my nutting by trying to get there. So if I can just do that, is that going to join me? Can I get Discord up in time? No, we've got an error. Voice channel join is not a function. What? That was working. So, my voice channel, is it just a... It can't be just that. No. unknown channel. So I really don't know what is. And the typical developer thing. This was working the other day when I played with this, so. Get the channels back up. That's the ID there. And we're looking for the background hustle voice channel. Programming. Text, voice channel, live stream chat. Well, I wonder if it's because I put it in a category. It can't find it. Or have I been... ooh. That's interesting. I wonder if it's getting confused because there's two background hustles. So if we take that, that might be what it is. Because in the Discord, I created this background hustle category. So I bet you it's that what's causing it. That? Are you going to work? No. Right. But let's get rid of you. And I know you're going to complain because you can't join. But I'm going to just put ID in there. So I made a shortcut for that. Voice channel. Channel can't be found. Okay, right. Let's just try something. See if we move them back. You there, and we'll delete that. Bugger off. So now, this is how it used to be when it worked. So let's put that back. Back to what it was when it was working. Unable to find voice channel. Urgh. Don't know what has changed unless the API's changed on Discord. Really just don't know what has gone off here. Because I think I am doing this right, because can you log the list of channels to see what we get? Yeah, sure. So which is what I'm doing here. So you I don't think it's ever going to happen, don't worry. Oh wait, that's just one channel. Why is that just one channel now? So it's found it. Then if I do what have I done? A typical developer thing, it just suddenly starts working. You don't know why. Channel. Yeah. So he's found that first key. Am I being daft here? Am I just, yeah. It's this if statement, isn't it? So if I do channels.length, pick myself, aren't I? I know I am. Eh? What? Why? Why is that undefined? Is that not right? Or is it because there's only one key? No, it should always have a length. I'm sure it should. Length is not a function. I'm not being daft here. Somebody... You can do .length to get the count of entries, shouldn't you? Well, from what I've seen, channels is a set of... It just returns a channel manager. So you can't filter on channel managers. What you have to do, or what I found, is using .cache, which gets the cached version of client.channels, which, as you can see there, says it brings back a collection. So that's what I'm using to then try and filter with names of background hustle. So if that's now a collection, I would have thought a collection has a length on it. Or does it not, because it's one and just returns the object? That's what I don't understand. I don't know. Yeah, I can go. Making matters harder for myself here, aren't I? You know what? What's the command to clean your... Bugger, what have I done? I didn't mean to do that. I can program here. Honest. What? Why are you playing silly buggers? I don't make music. Oh, I get you. Right. I might just stick to gaming on stream. I've still bought Raft and not played it, so I think we're gonna have to do a Raft stream sometime. Yeah, I don't make music. I've got no musical bone in my body, so sorry to disappoint you there. Right. A Chloraf. That's what we need. So, right. Let's make this a bit easy to read. Equals. I say a bit easy to read, that probably doesn't make it. The channel is of ref. Okay. That's grabbing all the channels. I then filtering it out where the name equals that. And yes, it should be dot type equals voice. It should be that. I've left a console login there, didn't want to do that. So if I get that, output what channels is now. It's a collection of maps 0, so that's that voice. Doesn't like that. But because I've done some daft. Wait. Am I being... This is because I've been working on a WordPress blog all morning, all day, and returning. Yes, so that's working. So if I do that, that is returning channels map collection of 1. So that's working. So am I... Ooh. That's my... Nice. Hey. I now remember channel's length was 0, so it almost gave up. That's how I almost gave up. Object, you'll need to pop it or use it as an array with index. Oh, okay. I'm not entirely sure. How do, Steve? How do? Oh, you've got a cup of tea or a whiskey? 1 or 2, or a glass of hydrating water? No, it's alright. And I might come across as not taking your advice, but it's more so that at this time I'm not understanding stuff. And I'm one of those developers that I'm crap with lingo and stuff like that, so yes, sorry if I come across as a bit blasé or like I'm not listening. Well, I'm just gonna, this was working. Yes, it is a Discord bot, you know, every streamer's got to do some sort of bot. It's a rite of passage, isn't it? Get rid of that. I think it might be that. False. Channel size is... That's right. Ready? We're not getting that unable to find voice channel. I might... Where's my Discord? I might have just fixed it and not realised. I bloody well fixed it! It's there! I've bloody well fixed it. And because of that... Hey, oh, Rose in here. See? An infinity bottle. Just gonna make sure I don't drink it dry. I don't know myself, but it's, yeah, I'm gonna cheer. So, I'm gonna have a celebratory whiskey. That's my Scotch Infinity one. So we've actually got it. So I might be able to show it off now. If we just get Discord back up, I'll pause the music so you've just got my voice to listen to for now. No, I'm sorry, you can't give me bits. Yeah, I need to be an affiliate. You can send me some virtual bits. Well, they are virtual, but some pretend bits. So, let's join the channel. Now, I don't know whether you'll be able to hear this because I don't know whether I've got stuff set up. So, if I type start, we can see it's found something. Well, we're out of date, we don't care. I know this one takes a while to start. It's usually started playing by now. Ooh. And you guys can't hear that. How can you? Ooh, it's working. Yeah, it might sound a bit weird because you're coming from the same voice channel as mine, and that's got NVIDIA Broadcast, just try and cut out background noise. Let's just turn it off for now. So, hopefully it shouldn't cut out now. So, what I also did is put in a rudimentary yeah, you've had enough from a coffee shop. You can't hear me. Ooh, too much background noise. Okay, because I don't have to turn that down. Oh wait. Is that better? Can you hear me? Let's hope that works better because I'm trying to monitor the yeah, I'm still trying to get used to that. So we should be having, I mean, I'm not going to say no. If it can get me to affiliate quicker, I will gladly take it. I mean, Right. So anyway, let's skip. So this one, I should hopefully sound a bit better because bird sounds aren't as loud. So yeah, that's the idea, and I wanted to try and make it as a long-winded demo here, and nearly 45 minutes after trying to demo this, it's finally got sound. Sorry, my candle's just run out on my oil burner, so I'm just lighting it. It's got to have some relaxing smells. So yeah, this is it basically, and this is what I was just as a dipping my toes into trying to learn about JavaScript a bit more, because yes, I've done JavaScript, but it's very basic, rudimentary stuff, so I've never really stuck with it. So I went with trying to use just plain JavaScript and with Node and everything like that to try and get it working and just get a feel for it, because up until recently, the biggest sticking point for me, again coming from somewhere like PHP or Rails and Ruby, is all the asynchronous stuff used to throw me through a loop, and it's only recently with actually async and await that I've actually got to grips with it a bit more and started figuring it out. So as you can see there, it automatically moves on to the next playlist, and what I've done is once it reaches the end of the playlist, it'll start back at the beginning. So the idea is you'd have this bot running on a server and just constantly leave it there, just playing over and over again. So yeah, thank you for the follow. Ooh, what? No, it's a raid. Oh, thank you. I didn't even realise it was a raid. I need to change my sounds. Oh, thank you. What we've been up to and stuff like that. What I'm up to is drinking whiskey, but also trying to make a Discord bot what's playing background sounds. So for example, campfire, if we skip to the next, oh no, skip, not kip, playing another coffee shop. And the idea of you'd have all these this background music playing in the background while you're working in a voice channel or community voice channel. Yes, thank you for the follow. And just make it, feel like an office of some sort, or just some background noise, because I know a lot of people, they don't actually like programming to music or stuff like that, which personally I always have to have music on, but I know there is people who don't, but also miss having that sort of, especially if you're working from home, miss having that sort of feel that you are working in an office and just that there's somebody else there. So that was the idea of this. I mean, it's very, very basic and still a lot more to do. But yeah, I mean, I don't know whether it works for it as a instead of music for Twitch, because I don't know. I think I'd end up falling asleep or just being distracted by the noises, to be honest. So my only concern with something like this is, obviously, I wouldn't be able to keep the include music in this box. So as I said, what I thought I'd do is, we'll let that play for a bit, is have this playlist JSON file where in the music you can put in what type of music is, what title you want to get. Yes, a co-relaxing session, that sounds pretty cool. So it plays tracks from YouTube as well, because there's so many different like meditation tracks on YouTube that you can just put in, join it into a channel, and away you go. See, we're getting brilliant ideas right now. Well, that is another good one. Hey, I've just realised 47 followers. Oh well, thank you. I'm chuffed to bits on that. I mean, yeah. 48. Thanks there, Keith. Yes, I want to say right now, if I never say your name when you follow, I don't mean to cause offence or anything like that. I'm just really bad with names, and I know there's some streamers out there that butcher names. Yeah, it'd be an all another level with me. I'm just terrible, and I just don't want to cause any offence to anyone. So if I don't say your name, it's not out of anything. It's actually to just not offend. And Stream Elements will say thank you for me anyway. Ooh, I am I? Is that better? You know what, I can change it there as well. See, the levels don't match in mine, which is really strange. It's a little too high, but definitely better. Ooh. Yes, I still have to work on this, so please just let me know if anything sounds terrible. I'm sure I can do it. Ooh, we've now moved to a windy desert. Is it a windy desert? Doesn't sound very windy. Windy desert. Yes, it is the windy desert. So, Luz, when we were talking earlier about epidemic sounds, this is what I was thinking about, is trying to get a load of ambient tracks together, collating a list, and getting them to play with these sounds, and yeah. Right, so enough listening to these sounds. Well, no, I'll keep them going. I just think we might end up with a noisy coffee shop in a minute, so when we've got all these nice, calm, soothing, windy desert, I don't think we want the hustle and bustle of a coffee shop. I'll turn that down a bit, because I think I'm still a bit too loud and peaking. Ah, well. Thank you for the follow, rollers. See, I can say that name, it's quite easy. Wait, we're on 49 now. Oh no, 48. Where did I get 49 from? Or is it just not updated yet? Sure I were on 14. No, I don't know. Oh, we're on Forest Floor now. No, we're on 48. 2 more. Are we going to do it? So, why is my terminal... Why can't I show and hide? Well, the command for show and hide a terminal, what is that now? Yes, there we go. Okay, cool. Got so many different commands, it's hard. Yeah, actually. Why are we not Madhouse Steve anymore? Yeah, there is something with that. I can't imagine going on round Crooks, that hill. I mean, I live in on one of the other big hills in Sheffield, but Crooks is just on, and Riverling. They're really big. Get my words out. Really steep hills. So taking a walk around there, I take my hat off to you. But that's one thing I can't wait to do when it's warmer. Just go for a nice walk round. Oh, you went down, and you've got the joys of being near pubs. That's the best thing. You walk a bit, get a bit tired, have a pint, feel a bit merry, walk a bit more. As that's wearing off, veer off into another pub, have another pint, and there you go. Oh, wait, and have some fish and chips. You've got to have some fish and chips on a walk. I can't wait for the summer. Yes, and a pub. Though it could be quite messy. I think a walk in Pennines or Peaks in summer with fish and chips. Bang on. Right, I might actually get some coding done. Or sit and chat in a beer garden. Oh, sounds like we're back in coffee shop now. Let's get Discord and see. Yep, we're in this. Well, I'll skip this because 8 hours of it I can't be doing. So, I mean, we've got it playing sounds and skipping. I didn't know whether to add the ability to add another track to the playlist, so you can do it from the from the chat. I mean, may as well. It doesn't make any difference. So I think what I'll do is first, yeah, I've had to turn off the noise removal, so sorry if you hear me banging on my keyboard, because again, I'm quite a typer and that's how I type. So we'll call them approved mods. I mean, we could probably use the mods of Discord, but I think this would be quite nice because you might not necessarily want mods to you might want some users to create these add songs without being mods. Yeah, I don't have blue. I can't have. It's alright, just seeing what I've got attached to mine. I've got burnt orange. So yeah, you've got reds on the Nightmare keyboard, ain't you? I think I put reds on that one. But I could always, hey up guys. Oh guy, sorry. I could always put my microphone there and I mean, not anymore because that might be horrible. They're not very clicky, these. They've got more of a thump. Firing keyboards. That's it. That's what I'll do. I'll just play this, put my mic to my keyboards and just type. So if we do approve mods and then just that wants to be an array actually. Dr. Dynamite as a mod. Take that, and right now I'm just going to test another thing on this touch pole, see if it works, because I'm going to change some config and it's got a key in it which I don't want to dox myself with. So yes, it works. Sorry, it might be a very blurry, but yes. Oh, we're in a coffee shop again. I know I'm so close and I can't thank you all enough. I'm actually chuffed to bits, but I've still got the time to do, so what is it? 500 minutes? But we'll do it. So, I nearly did get out of that. And it works. I'm quite chuffed at that. So, 7 times in 30 days. Right, I'll get that done. I thought there were some minutes as well. But, hey, I'll take all the salt. I have enough of being a salty developer, so... sorry, my OCD's annoying me a little bit there. Thank you for the follow. Is that... We've got one more. One more. I'm waiting for my little Dr. Dynamite logo. Not there. Just in the corner to flip up. I like that one, but I don't change as often. Oh, 49. Right. So we've got... That is wrong example. So if I just change that... Oh, God. To that. And if... Oops. I mean, you brought Brett whiskey. That's, yeah. I wish I got whiskey brought me. I mean, I've got it behind me, so I don't need to worry about that, but... Prefix, and if it starts with add... Yes. You would be president so fast. And that, yes. A co-stream. I will never say no to a co-stream. So, add song, track. Const. I'll get that into Yes, A Walk to Theodore. We would love to see that. Come on, that you've got to. Just think how relaxing that would have been just after being Man in Pot. Yeah, decompress and you go for a walk. You can have your selfie stick, and there you go. Are we really? Yeah, I was gonna say that's the next challenge, Brett. And getting over a speedrun. Actually, no, didn't you? Oh wait, my thing just said 50 followers. Have I just totally missed it? No, that says 49. But my Dr. Dynamite logo is wrong. It's saying 50. No, I'm on 50. Ah, awesome. Thank you all. That is... Yes. Right. Okay. That is brilliant. Thank you. I mean, I know it's only 50, but hey, that's 50 people. That's more than I know. Yeah. Yeah. That's, yeah. Sorry, I might have this cheesy smile on for a bit longer now. So... Can you guys actually... Has it stopped playing music? It has, hasn't it? Right. Well, I'll put some more music on. There we go, I'm a bit... We'll cut you off because I think it's because because I've got Nodemon, it's gonna keep playing that. So we need to dissect the playlist. Well, yeah, I'm gonna stream. I think I'm not entirely sure whether I'll stream Wednesdays and Sundays, and maybe Sundays because it's nobody wants to program on a Sunday. We can have a gaming. I don't know whether other people will be up for that. So I might be doing a bit of Minecraft, a bit of Raft, or I'm definitely doing Getting Over It. So I'm too shouty to play those games. Raft Sundays. Yes. Sunday on SS Sol. Yes. So, Brett, you said once you completed Getting Over It, you'd play Sexy Hike. I think you need to go for Sexy Hiking. A pretty pink gaming channel. I mean, it is a horrible game to run, but I think you should try it. Even if it's just for half an hour. Try it. Go on. You know you want to. Let's see. Oh. No, we don't want that anymore. Yes, please try it. Go on. You'd make my day, my week, and my month. Maybe not the year. That depends if you're doing episode 2. But yes. You'll make this Yorkshire man a very happy man. So, sorry, I won't be 2 minutes. Substring. I think for this I might have to do some... where we try and guess what it is, whether it's a file path. Well, it's not. If you're going to be adding through YouTube, if you're going to be adding through Discord, you can't be adding local music. So I would say that it's always going to be YouTube. So what we have to do is... I know this will be a cons because it's not going to change. I'll have to remember that. Track equals sub. What's the difference? Do substring because I know what that is. So that would be start at 0 and would be add track dot length. Yeah, I don't have all that. I need your Pantherbot and then I would be able to do it. Or is that on the Pantherbot or is that the mainframe? I might have a try. And I want to get into all that because that's the one thing I'd really love to do is all the get me words out, all the interaction, because I think I could just do that all day. The mainframe is Pantherbot. Well, yes, I need to look at that to make carry on with it because I have been looking at it in anger to try and see the potential of installing it on this because. If I can get away from Stream Elements, I think I prefer that a bit better. End is optional. If it's left out, it uses the length by default. Yes, but... Oh, wait, yeah. I don't want that, do I? No, that's the one I want. No, I didn't. No. Sorry, that's me. This is because I'm talking. I want that. Sorry, that was me. That's talking. The colour theme is vibrant. I don't know what else we've got. Whatever, dimmed, monarchy. Don't like that one as much. Can be dark. Dracula soft now. I used to be a Dracula fan. Nah, that's yeah. That offends my eyes. But that one doesn't so much. Cushier, very good, Pierre. Right, so that's what I want. So then it would be dot length plus 1 because we want to make sure the space is out of the way. So that should then leave us with a track. So if we pass that in, and then we'll create. I know. Well, actually, this falls in a. Alphabetical order for now. Oh, track. Is less than or equal to 0. I like it how you have to set yourself a reminder to remind Panther. You need to create an API that you can create a reminder that will just remind directly. Code T. Not nice. Way more fun, and it's more sociable. You're thinking of everybody there. Forgive me on this because again, I'm not that good with JavaScript, but I want to search. Is it just a simple search? Okay. The true MVP. So what you're saying is your stream wouldn't be as good as it is without Loose. I don't know if you guys have noticed that, but something's happening with my Windows that it just messes up the quality of the graphics, and I'm not entirely sure what it is. It's doing me nothing, but Ian Toast, has it got apricot jam on it, or is it raspberry? Yeah, I can zoom in. Is that better? But it's started doing that where it's just artifacting. It's claggy bugger. It's the claggy bugger. Claggy bugger. But I like peanut butter. Oh, what is it doing with them graphics? I really don't know what it is. It's doing me nothing. I might have to treat it to a reboot, so you might have to do with a bugger. It's you're the first one, not the what you find up your nose. It's a Yorkshire thing to say. Well, there's a Yorkshire. It's more like your cheeky bugger or your claggy bugger. It's an endearing term for someone. I'd say it's endearing, but you can. So, if we look at the config, yeah, clagger, but bugger. Bugger's the endearing thing. I like to talk about the clagger. Clagger's the your daft bugger, or your daft apith. So this is getting really blurry at the moment, and I don't understand what it is. I'm hoping it don't come across on stream, but what word sounds so gross? And I've just shown a token. That's my fault. Oh well, that's where I hope my graphics are messing up. I really don't know what is up with it because it's getting... I mean, it's only a public token, so that one. Refresh. Oh, it's reloading, isn't it? Reload Windows. Let's see if that works. No, I really don't know what's going on. Bloody drivers. I'll have to put it. So, what I wanted to look at is that. So we want to look for if it's got actually. Probably a better way to do it, but I'll just... anything is better than nothing at the moment. So what we want to do now is... right. And we want to add it to the JSON and write it back to the file. So, JSON... I don't know. I think dot search works. It did say on W3 schools, but yeah. Use dot includes. Is that better then? I don't know. I'm just hacking along. Check if the string includes world. Yeah, okay. That's better. So what do I need to... right, I need to look at taking the JSON. I think I put that in a global. So the current, yeah, playlist. So I need to look how to write. Yes, do you not read me tags? No back eating? No, I appreciate it. Just as long as you're not telling me off. So I think writing to a file, I mean, I could probably write to a DB better, but hey, I quite like that. Any percent. I'm not trying to achieve out here. I'm just going along with the flow, listening to some good music, talking to some good people, drinking some good drink, and coding. Yep. Yeah, I should give myself credit. I should be more, what's the word, self-confident in that sense. But again, I'm Yorkshire, I suppose. I'm going to use that excuse for everything. I don't put myself on a pedestal. I don't do this, that or other, because then I don't disappoint. I'm just mediocre Matt. I am Yorkshire. Yeah. I've not got an ego. I'm Yorkshire. So, writing to a JSON, what's the best way to do that? So using file system. If I use file system, is that going to cause issues, or am I best using something else? Well, I need to npm install. What and what? I like that backwards compliment there, Luce. Sorry, backwards compliment? Backhanded compliment. Are they true Sheffield Deanians? No, Sheffielder. It's a Sheffielder, not a Sheffieldians. That's why they're not. They're not from Sheffield then. No, I know it weren't. I'm saying a backing compliment to a mate. Not everything has to be about me. I'm not you, Rose. Yeah, 5 years. That's not, no. I'll invalidate your experience. Right. You've put me off now. Real people there. If you called Duck, you were. Right. So, if am I going to have to include FS, or is that included by default? Let's see. If I install FS, what happens? See, you getting it? That Sheffielders. Yeah, serving coffees. Yeah, you're not gonna meet the best of folk. Though I still believe that you would have met both me and Robin working at that Starbucks. Yeah, please type. It's distracting me. So yes, Rose, you weren't here. Are we gonna start the Sunday SSS Salt raft stream? I want to know because I bought SSSSS. I bought Raft and not played it yet, and that's an idea I could do on stream because I'll be more productive playing a game. Away Soul. That would be. That's it. You know what we're saying about a podcast? Sunday with Salt. Salty Sunday. Right. So. My dirty mind is not thinking, oh, right now with the Salty Sundays, that's. Yes. Keep quiet, Matt. Oh, I've just seen that. So, you. I remember. Nope. That's my Mac. Ah! Getting confused between Mac and window binding now. No, 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 no. Alec can stay away his crystals. It's his beads. It's his rare beads. Brain is just fried now. Well, how long have I been streaming? Nearly 2 hours. I think I might, for today, do a 2-hour stream. Because I've not achieved much. I've just been talking. Yeah. I need more structure, and I think that's why I need to do a bit more planning. And yeah, I don't rarely node, but I need a plan because I easily get distracted. So if we look back at the playlist, let's just copy that. Haha. For now, we'll just have the word track there. Can I? Is that actually a good idea on JavaScript? I've got a JSON file that I'm turning into an array. If I want to build that back, what and what? Sorry, we're at 50. Yes, that's what I'm super chuffed about. And well, I'm going to be hopefully streaming on a schedule now. We'll see how it turns out. Wednesdays and Sunday, and then maybe the odd stream, because it always happens, and I'm changing my mic for this. It always happens that I get hooked and want to stream again pretty much the next day, but I have nothing to stream about. Ooh, wait. Haha, full screen map with double webcams. Sorry. What we're on? That one. Right. So yes. So the idea, I'm not just egotistical and want multiple angles of this beautiful mug. I just got the iPad because the idea was I was going to use the iPad as my main webcam, and this webcam was going to be hooked onto that so that you can see the stream, because when I'm printing, so if I can get it up, nope. When I'm printing, come on. I wanted, this is later. Right, I can show this now because it's not. So this is my printer, and the current camera I've got is absolutely pants. Control. It really, so if I just turn my lights up, is that going to change? It's orange and horrible and burnt. So if you look right here, it's actually an IR camera, and it's horrible. So that's why I wanted it there, so that I could actually have a little cam of my 3D prints. I know Alex would be happy with that, but right, Larry. I recommend if you've got an iPad or something sitting around, Epoch Cam works brilliantly as a second camera, or an iPhone or something. Because that's what I use daily in community channel. It's bob on. Right, set my lights down a bit. Yeah, I definitely, and I've noticed using my iPad, I don't get temptations of distracted as much because obviously I'm using my iPad as a camera. So. Am I right in thinking with JavaScript, I could do that the way I know I won't want to assign it to the same variable, but would that take whatever object it is, array or a JavaScript, a JSON object, and turn it into a JSON object? Yeah, so would that spread it out into a JSON object? Likewise, that would spread it into a array object, or an array. Okay. Suppose I need to use JSON parse for that, or JSON encoding. I don't know. Ooh, music stopped. Guess we've reached the end of that playlist. I might just use JSON parse. I don't know why I'm making. No, not JSON parse. JSON string. JSON parse to an object and JSON stringify, it'll be grand. Right. Ah, no, it's because I'm using, so I've got that JSON object there, and I'm requiring it there, and then spreading it into an array for the current queue. That's why I was looking at adding that to the, I suppose it doesn't, yeah, no, it needs to write to the file, but yeah. Well that works. I don't know whether it works right, but okay. Right. Well, we'll soon see. I mean, if it buggers up, it buggers up. Yeah. I'm just gonna try it, see what happens. If it buggers up, it buggers up. But hey ho. No. Because I want to add. I don't know what I'm doing here. Would that work? Comma. Right. Is that what it is? Let's see. I need to stop just typing code and hack and find out. Oh, no, wrong console. This is because I'm not. So if we run you should. Where's Discord? We need to stop you because otherwise. That's not going to work. And it's start, not play. Skip that because I don't like that one. Brilliant. That's playing. So now if we, well, I'll just go off to YouTube and what do we want to listen to? We want to listen to we've got, so we want another fire. Let's add another fire then. Hours of this. Oh no, not this advert. We don't want Benson's for beds. Oh, now we've got Nivea. Right, skip. Bugger off. Yeah, I think that works. So if we take that and stop being blurry. Yep, blurry bugger. Get that back up there. Get Discord and then add. Lovely error. What we got? Assignment to a constant variable. That one or is that? Am I just not knowing what I'm doing? Ah. Yes, you're right. I don't know why I did that. Let's just for test. And I'm console logging nothing. Playlist is actually an import. Oh no, it is a const. Yeah, sorry, I'm getting confused there. So we've done that. And we'll have bird sounds as well. Ooh, not quite. It's added something, but not what I wanted. What have I done wrong there? Stop blurring, bloody thing. So track is empty. Why is track empty when it's come through? Oh, cake. I want cake. I might. Can't have cake now. Oh wait, no, I can just add. I don't need to play. Trackle. Yes, I want a trackle. Have you never heard of a trackle, Rose? Trackle is... It's a... awesome thing to have. Right, so that's not going to work either. What am I doing? It's like watching Alex stream, but worse. So, that's what I don't understand. Well, oh wait. No, that's right. So, why is it doing that? Stop doing that. Read out of date. Oh, okay. So that. No, one more dot. Unexpected. No. Dope. That gonna work? I'm a learning. That's not gonna work, is it? That is because... No, that's because I've converted a JSON file into an array, then I'm spreading it into a object. That's I could do this. Yeah. Yes, you are right. That to an array? No. Matt, shut up. That's definitely better. That's tons better. But why is track empty when we know full well that... Oh. So that's working. Yes, we've got one thing sorted. Non-existent. That's what it's like, loose. He went on a 3-month break, and that were about 6 months ago, 5 months ago. A weird fetish about. Shouldn't be talking to him about him like this, but he won't mind. Trackle. Yes, that. Track is empty. So why is track? Why is it not getting caught by that? Not includes. Does sound mean, but he brings it on himself. Right, I'm going to get this working, and I think he does take a lot of abuse. I think he's just happy for the attention. He's a good egg. He's a good egg. Oh, not told Alec. Or Alex. All this talking about him behind his back. No, Alex. It's Alex. Can't you remember that strange person that started appearing who's squatting in his stuff? It's Alex. We've not seen Alec for a while. Up strong. There's nothing. So that's because that's not returning out. What does message? I've totally forgot I've got this YouTube video running. Fire. No, I don't really liking it. That's that. I would have thought. Oh wait, I need to do what Luce said. Sorry, Luce. I totally ignored what you said there. See now, I see the errors of my way. Yes, there we go. Well, has it got the space? I think it might have. Yes, it has. So it does need to be +1. Do you know when you're just used to doing CRUDs all the time? This is what makes me think I'm not as good a programmer as I am, because well, we've got it, so we just need to write that back to a file, and then we've got it working in a sense. The cruddy life of a professional programmer. Yeah, that's the only problem. I wish I did more non-crud stuff, and that is what I'm hoping to achieve on these streams. I do feel though, doing streams like this, ooh, music stopped, doing streams like this, you just, yeah, if I can show newcomers and younguns alike that this is what a proper programmer is like. It's not all typing like fast. It's actually a lot of Stack Overflow, a lot of struggling, and a lot of questioning. Well, it is for me. So. Oh, so. File system, right to file. A lot of questioning your life choices. I'm feeling guilty because you're spending so long on something. I definitely do feel that. gonna have to put some sort of limit on this so that you can't. Thanks. At least I can make someone feel good. I know I felt like packing it in and just becoming a farmer, flipping burgers. I'd love, the thing I'd love to do now, which I would have never said I'd do, is go and start leather crafting. And if I could make a living out of that, I'd say bye-bye to code today. As much as I love it. Why is it doing that? Right. So if I did. I could always. I'm not that good at making keyboards. I'm not good at soldering. I can solder, and when it's my keyboards, I don't mind if it's a mess, but I don't know whether I could do it professional. Yeah, you might want to lift that key off and put it back on. It might be a loose or bent switch. My brilliant work. Right, so if we write the file, no we're not. Oh wait, no. What am I doing? This is because I'm talking. Content, oh no. Test. That's supposed to say Jason. Dot pause. Perfume. Oh. My lovely async. No, that's in the wrong place. Unexpected token or in JSON at position 1. What have I done? Right, I'm going to do this and then I think I'm going to bugger off. What am I doing? Like that. No, that's right. Right file. That's come out as a JSON. Handled. Promise rejection. Unexpected token. Oh wait, that's not going to work, is it? Because that's not valid JavaScript. JSON. It's not valid JSON, that is it? That JSON is, yeah. That's because it's adjacent. It's not pause, it's stringify. This is me not listening to Rose. Sorry, Rose. Like I should be saying sorry to Loose. What am I doing now? Callback. A callback must be a function. What am I doing? I'm just done now. I'm just creating silly mistakes, and I need to. Callback function must be a function. Doing wrong. Oh wait, it needs to have a callback. So I need, do I need write file sync? Is that right? Is that right? I'm losing the plot. Well, while I'm doing this, because I think this is going to be my last attempt, and sod any errors. That didn't actually do it. Oh wait, no, that's right. It works. Oh, it's messed me nicely formatted stuff up, but it works. Can I pretty print that? It bloody well works. I am chuffed to bits at that. So now if I save that, it's restarted the server because it's using NodeMon. So I need to change. I'm going to. I've done it again. I'm going to change that quickly. No, I'm not. I'm going to test whether it's now showing up in here. Let's stop you. Let's start playing that. Slop. Skip. Skip. Got less songs then. Skip. Well, I'm not going to be long myself, so see you later, Tote. Thanks for the follows and everything and the viewing today. It is stupidly really appreciated. Wait, do we get the crackle? I want the crackle. I know it takes a while, this one. Come on. May you crackle? I think it's playing, but I think it's very quiet. Yep. Oh wait, yes. It's quiet in my headphones, but probably not for you. Yes! This is what it's about. This is what I enjoy. I don't know shit, but I'm finding out shit and I'm enjoying it. Sorry for all the S-bombs. But this is what I like. This is why I got into programming. Just coding away, making rubbish, and it all working. So, and what I'm gonna start doing this. What I'm grateful for: 50 followers, awesome people to talk to, coding to some good music, having an awesome community, and yeah. And this doesn't actually get mentioned a lot, but a community that will flag and make you a better person. Yes. I'm going to actually leave now before I start talking rubbish. But thank you for the follows. Thank you for watching. And it seems like it's happening on Sunday. Oh wait, why am I talking on this small screen? On Sunday? Why have you just reset? On Sunday, we'll be doing a stream on Raft. I know nothing about Raft, so this is going to be fun. And I think we are going to raid. I've never done a raid, so we'll see how that happens. So, if we raid, and who we raiding? Chad B. Noob. $21 people viewing. He's
that list.
Yep. Let's raid. So yes, thank you for coming along, and I'm hoping to do this again. Now I've reached 50. I know people are gonna make me do it. Why is that saying 49? That says 50. That says 49. So I'm gonna be back, and I'm gonna try and stream a bit more and probably get better at this streaming game. But we'll see you when I see you. Have a good cup of tea, have a whiskey, have a bit of water if you want, and let's have fun. See you later. Bye.